Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. One of my subscribers asked if I could show how to do the bubble nail art technique with the mini macaron gel polishes, so that's what I'm doing today. I posted a video several months ago where I tried the bubble nail art technique for the first time with gel polish and hollow powder, and I also included some tips that I learned, so if you're interested in checking that out, I'll leave a link on your screen and in the description. For this video, I'm not going to use any powders, just the mini macaron gel polishes, so let's go ahead and get on into the video. And of course, you can use whatever color you want, but I'm going to start off with 2 coats of licorice, which is their black gel polish, and then I'm going to cure them completely for 30 seconds after each coat in my LED lamp. They recently released their gel manicure kit in licorice, and I did a full video on that, so if you want to learn more about their gel manicure kits and how you can do your own gel nails at home, you can check out that video as well. So before I apply my last layer of gel, I'm going to get my bubbles ready. I'm just using a small container that has a lid, filling it about halfway with water, and then adding a drop or 2 of dish soap. Then I'll put the lid on and shake up the container to create some bubbles. Then I'm going to apply 1 layer of pearlescence, and that pearl shimmer just completely transforms that black polish that's underneath it, and I'm not going to cure it just yet. And while the gel is still uncured, I'm going to run my finger through the bubbles. I'm going to detach the top half of my mini macaron LED light, and then cure the polish with the bubbles still on. Here's another view of it, and what this is going to do is it's going to cure the gel with the imprint of the bubbles, leaving you with a really cool texture. And once the gel has been fully cured for 30 seconds, I'm just going to use my finger to wipe off the bubbles from my nail. And here's the finished bubble nail art design using mini macaron gel polishes. You're going to want to skip out on the top coat on this one so you don't lose that texture that you created with the bubbles. But that's all for today's video. If you like this technique, you can check out my other bubble nail art video, and if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up down below. But anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!